Hi, Leo from Durable Dental Labs here. I would love to introduce you guys our brand new service, Mobile Dental Lab. We bring the lab to your practice. It's fully equipped dental lab on wheels, built to support your ride and your practice. When you're in the middle of the all-neck surgery or hanging complex crown and bridge case, the less things you want to delay because prosthesis didn't fit or need adjustment normally, you have to send it back to the lab and wait days. With our mobile lab, we come to you. We can adjust prosthesis, repair crowns and bridges, fix dentures, do relines and handle emergencies, all within hours while the patient is still in the chair. And most important, for all the next cases, we can do temporary right there when patient in the chair. That means fewer delays, smoother surgeries, and happier patient who leave your office with no problem solved the same day. Durable Dental Lab has served Illinois dentists since 2009, and the mobile unit is our next step to make your workflow faster and easier. If you would like to learn more about our mobile dental lab, please call us 847-485-7356. See you next time.